this is Patty with the Leather Lady, and I am going to be teaching you how to change the blade on your strap cutter. What is a strap cutter? It's one of these. If you haven't bought any tools or thinking about to buy a tool, this is probably one of the first tools that you need. So this is something that has a little blade in it. If you look at it, I don't know if you can see that there, but this will go up to, how many inches will this go up to? 4 inches to cut a nice big piece of leather. Really, really handy tool. You can either get them on my website or you can get them on Tandy, either one. But this is one of the tools that you probably should have first off. What I'm going to do is show you how to change a tool. You're going to need all you're going to need is a what is this thing? A flathead screwdriver, and then you're going to also need some blades. Okay, these are from Tandy. These are blades that are meant for this. If you see, they have 2 holes in them, and I'll show you why those 2 holes are really important. So what you're going to do is going to take your flathead screwdriver. You're going to place it in the end, because if you can see, there is these little bolts, and there's a nut here that holds that in place. That's where those 2 little screws go. So this is what we're going to do. So we're going to undo this one here. And take that out. We're going to undo this one here. I've loosened them a little bit before this video just for time purposes. Okay, so there's the 2 holes. You can see the blade in there. Now that blade is facing down. You want that to face down. If you're left-handed, you don't really want it to go up. You want it to go down. You can switch this around to fit your left or right hand. So we're going to make sure that the blade goes down. So because this is dull, I don't need this in here. Don't want to use my fingers. Don't want to use anything of that nature. And we're going to pull the old blade out. It's pretty tight in there. These slots are really, really tight because they want to hold it. Then we're going to set that aside and discard that in a minute. So we're going to go get our new blade. My hands are very calloused, guys. You're like, oh my God, she's going to cut herself. Oh my God. No, my hands are very calloused. And if they do, trust me, there isn't a project that I think I don't bleed in. Okay. So we're going to slide that in there. Making sure that it's down. Making sure that there is. You can also use like needle nose pliers and push it down as well. And then what you're going to do, so it's at the top, it's a little crooked. You're going to push that all the way down. Why? Because of those little holes. And then you're going to want to move it into place. So what I'm doing right now is I'm matching up those little holes because that's where the screw goes, right? But see, there's a little piece stuck there, so I want to push it in. Now I see the hole there. And why am I not seeing? Okay, so if they're not fitting right, you can actually squeeze these in. And if they're not squeezing in, you can actually unloosen this part, which is keeping that tension to go in or out. See how that moved in or out? There you go. We're going to push that blade all the way down, okay, inside there, if you can see that. And then we're going to slide this bolt back in. We're going to make sure it goes into the nut. And then we're going to take a screwdriver and go ahead and tighten that down. Now, don't tighten it really heavy because you got one more to go in. Okay. But this one here on the other side does not have a nut like that. So it's just one-sided, okay? Boy, talk about being a little one-sided. I'm just joking. So there isn't anything on that side. So you're gonna go ahead and tighten that down and then tighten this one down. And make sure they're nice and tight so that when you go to cut, that thing doesn't slide out. And there you go. You've just now changed your blade. I hope this was helpful. I hope that if you need to purchase a leather strap cutter or the blades, please contact me at my website or go ahead and go on Tandy. That's another good place to do it. But I hope to see you on my website at theleatherladyllc.com or my another YouTube video on leatherladyllc.com. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Stay blessed and walk in the truth.